dapat sa style ng mga isusuot na kasalalay ang pagpili ng inyong outfit. Importante rin na alam nyo ang kulay na bagay sa inyo na maaaring ma-achieve through color analysis. Let's watch this. Killer outfit ba kamo ang OOTD mo? Malay mo, your chosen color might be silently sabotaging you. Welcome to the world of color analysis. Dito, the right shade can make you glow, and the wrong ones can render you tired and dull. Si Enzo, pinag-aralan niya ito sa Japan kung saan nagmula ang konsepto pati na sa Korea. To do color analysis, kailangan munang alamin ang totoong kulay ng balat via a computer program.
Naturally, we will see which colors don't suit you the best. I'll tell you why it doesn't look good on you, and if you want to keep using it, we can make it better.
Hindi lang black at safe colors ang pwedeng isuot para sa powerful and confident look.
You can look professional, you can look respectable in different colors. Like you can look good you can do that in a blue, you can do that in a purple or in a yellow. It's just a matter of like the shade, a specific shade that you should be wearing.
Ayon kay Enzo, the right colors don't just make you look good, they boost your mood and influence perception from the inside out.
There is color psychology on that end, right? So automatically people think, okay, I want to look more professional, so I will wear black, I will wear gray in the workplace, ganon. But you can sometimes still give off the same effect on vibrant colors as well.
Sinubukan ko ang color analysis sa mga kulay na inakala kong bagay sa akin.
The brown one brings out the texture of your skin. It makes your under eyes look a little more emphasized there, okay? Between the brown and the yellow, I would recommend the yellow more.
Yeah, the yellow one.
Right? Because it brings more color to your face.
Kung tama at bagay sa ating skin tone at facial structure, colors can be your best friend.
So always look at your face, okay? 1 and 2. If you notice, on the first set of colors, these colors make you look a little too washed out, very pale. But when we saturate the colors and when we make it a little bit more vibrant, it starts to bring a little more color back.
Hindi lang ito sa outfit. Same goes with color of your makeup at shape ng accessories. Kailangan daw it works for you and not against you.
If you look at the yellow gold naman,